Good morning, everyone. Man, so much has happened since I last sat down and filmed. Today we're having coffee and makeup. Hopefully this goes better than my last video I did, which was wine and makeup. I got some good bloopers from that video, but it is not feasible to post. I blame it on the wine. Man, but so many things has happened. And I need to update you guys. I'm gonna always keep it real on my channel. But first, let me introduce the palette that we're gonna be going into today. We're gonna be using the Warrior by Juvia's. It's the sWarriorIII, and it's a colorful palette. And for today to be September the 23rd, it is actually the first day of fall. Today is the first day of fall. September 23rd is the first day of fall. And we're going to be doing a colorful look on the first day of fall. So unlike me, but it was between this palette and a palette that I've used before. So I decided to go ahead and film this today, and then I'll film that one later so I can get this one up sooner. So that's what we're going to do. So you guys, I'm just going to let you know that the job in Georgia is no more. It has less to do with the hospital, the facility. It had more to do with my recruiter. She was basically crossing lines and telling lies. So just because of her, she had a better relationship with the hospital than I did. The hospital have no idea what happened behind the scenes between me and her, between she and I. But, you know, that just means I'm going to be at home a little bit and I can get some videos out for you guys. But I'm definitely already going to be looking out for my next contract. I was already negotiating a contract for December. But what I'm going to do is just go ahead and see if we can push that contract date on up a little bit. And I could just start a little bit sooner. It's always a job out there. So I'm not concerned. Trust me, I did the best thing for me and my family. I always do. I always take these things in consideration, because I'm the only person that's out there that's clocking in, that's working these jobs. So I have to take me in mind for the utmost importance, and to make sure that things are good on that front. All money ain't good money. And I have realized that, so I'm not opposed to turning the job down or having to put in a 2 weeks notice, which is what I had to do here. I'm not opposed to it. So, you know, it is what it is. But let's just go ahead and jump into this Juvia's. I was sitting here just looking at, trying to find some inspiration for it. But I think I'm going to go in with this yellow and this pink. This pink and this yellow. They're beautiful colors. Let's swatch a couple of them. The yellow is not super pigmented as I thought it would be. Maybe I'm gonna go into that yellow first. That blue is amazing. All right, you guys, I'm gonna go ahead and get started. We're gonna head on into starting this tutorial. So I might have to end up cutting a crease, but I'm gonna try to do this without doing a cut crease.
You used to call me on the cell phone, late night when you need my love. Call me on the cell phone, late night when you need my love.
So you guys, right here I am just packing on that pink. I'm going to pack that on to both sides, and then I am going to blend it out.
I could've learned anything. Ever since I left the city, you got a reputation for yourself now. Everybody knows that I feel left out. Girl, you got me down, you got me stressed out. Cause ever since I left the city, you started wearing less and going out more. I just left champagne out on the dance floor, hanging with some girls I've never seen before. You used to call me on the cell phone, late night when you need where you don't belong. Ever since I left the city, you got exactly what.
So you guys, I decided to go ahead and cut a crease anyways, because I feel like it'll help that yellow show up better, because that yellow wasn't as pigmented when I swatched it. So as you guys can see, I cut the crease, and now I am just packing on that yellow. I'm going to pack that yellow onto both lids. I'm just going to keep the yellow and just the yellow and the pink on the top lids.
Thinking, gazing out my window, I see it all in front of me, laying heavy on my pillow. You and I together is what I see. When we're spending time together, I think back to everything I've done. Now that I am here forever, wait on me feels like a ton.
You guys, right here now, as I am editing, I am just now realizing that I used the same color story in my last colorful tutorial. However, I put the colors up together differently on this tutorial, so I'm still gonna post it, but I need to make another one with a different color story. I must really love the yellow and the pink and the blue. Another wing liner, but I cut this kind of short because you guys don't need to sit through me doing another wing liner, so I just cut this part short.
When we're spending time together, think back to everything I've done. Now that I am here forever, wait on me feels like a ton.
guys, I am back with the final look. I hope you guys like it. But I love this Juvia's Place palette. The yellow isn't as pigmented as I thought it would be. It doesn't show up as I thought it would be, but the blue was pigmented, the pink was pigmented. I guess yellows are just a hard color to do. But other than that, I think this is a beautiful, colorful palette. You can pair this along with the Zulu palette, and you basically have a very nice color story, because it's some colors in here. Now, I should have paired this pink with this yellow, because I actually like this yellow and this one. They look like the same color, but they're different. I think they're different. They show up different. So I should have compared this. But this pink and this, the pink in this one is brighter than the pink in that one. I think those purples, I don't know, those purples might be the same. I think this one is a little lighter purple than this one. But they're both a beautiful color story. And if you put them together, I mean, you got some great colors to work with. Can't go wrong with the Juvia's Place formula. But I want to let you guys know that I am really torn up, sad, and disappointed about the way things happen with Georgia. I don't want you guys to think that, you know, I'm just okay with it. I'm okay with it because, you know, life moves on. You pray there's always another job to have. But I had chose this job, and I like to complete what I started. So, but unfortunately, this job just did not work out for me. But it's okay. You know, I'm going to find something else. I'm going to move on to the next one. But I am sad about the way things happened. It was just basically my recruiter was, everything was my recruiter. Everything had been going wrong with the job since I started, even from back when just doing the paperwork and working with the company. And then when I got to orientation, not being in the system, the orientation wasn't great. It was just a long list of things that had been going on. And my gut had told me to leave this job way before I got to this point. But I did not. I stayed because I was like, I want to at least try to give it a chance and finish what I started. But I just know next time to maybe just try to listen to my gut a little bit more. But anywho, I'm a persevere. I am strong. I already have another job lined up. So, you know, I'm good. I just have, you know, just a little bit more time to spend at home with my kids and my husband, to be with my family. And, you know, there's nothing wrong with that. You know, it's always great to be home with your family. But I hope you guys really enjoyed this look and this tutorial. And enjoy the rest of your day.